tomorrow, but the isobars are further apart, which of course means any wind there has been quite blustery in northern England, will tend to die down, both tonight and tomorrow and probably for the weekend. Now, with the air being fairly humid, that means it'll actually feel even closer than it has been, and with light winds tomorrow, sea breezes are also fairly likely. So a humid night to come then, double figures everywhere, almost everywhere, except for northern Scotland, 10s and 11s. Now, northern Scotland, well, central Scotland and Northern Ireland, as I say, are plagued by this rain, which over the last few hours has been falling fairly heavily in parts of the Western Highlands, and that's probably the only place it will fall heavily, with many eastern areas staying generally dry. Overnight then, the rain, if anything, will edge a little bit further north, and for the rest of us, a cloud blanket, which just helps keep those temperatures up. We start Friday with that rain in much the same place. I think also, as has been the case today, there'll be sea fog drifting in and out of some of the coves of southern England, of Pembrokeshire, of southern Ireland. Equally, there'll be some sunshine down there as well, as there has been, but the best sunshine will be inland for much of England and Wales, and I think later on, also for southern Scotland and for Northern Ireland, as that rain finally reaches the Northern Isles and extreme north of Scotland. But unfortunately, the front wave's back again, and Northern Ireland and southern Scotland could well end up with the day wet once again by evening. Of course, it'll be a warm day once again, 21s and 22. 22 is 72 Fahrenheit. Around the coast, the sea breezes will cool things down. It might bring some cloud into southern England, a little bit further inland, and keep temperatures at 14 here and there. But otherwise, you could find 21 just as easily on the coast. Not quite as warm, though, of course, in the cloud in Scotland. For Saturday, that front finally tries to make progress southwards, bringing a few drops of rain to northern England and Wales, and fresher weather, or less humid weather if you like, dropping the temperatures, in fact, in many places, such that after a chilly night, Sunday starts pretty cold, but warms up to about 40 into 60, near the average for the time of the year, with rain then creeping into the west. Unfortunately, the latest forecast, that means for Monday, is not quite as good as we hoped it would be. That rain will tend to cross the whole country as showery bursts, so a cloudier day, some showery rain, though it should still be fairly warm. Good luck.